Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. If you've been on the hunt for the perfect trading tool to boost your day or swing trading strategy, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of Insider Finance, a platform designed to give retail investors an edge in the market. With a blend of automated analysis, real-time insights, and some pretty innovative features, Insider Finance is shaking things up for traders like you and me. Let's get into why this tool might be just what you need to elevate your trading game. So, what exactly is Insider Finance? Founded by Rob Hibbard, Insider Finance is a powerful trading software that focuses on giving traders access to real-time data and insights that are usually reserved for institutional players, also known as smart money. Imagine having the ability to see what the big players on Wall Street are doing and using that information to guide your own trades. That's the core idea behind Insider Finance. By analyzing millions of options contracts and dark pool prints every day, the platform aims to highlight which securities are most likely to make significant moves in the market. One thing I appreciate about Insider Finance is its commitment to leveling the playing field. The software provides a unique window into unusual options activity, dark pool prints, and real-time order flow, giving us retail traders insights into what might move the markets. This kind of transparency is invaluable, especially when trying to capitalize on short-term movements. Whether you're into stocks, crypto, or Forex, Insider Finance offers market scanners across these categories, making it a versatile tool for any trader looking to diversify their portfolio. Now let's take a deep dive into the features that make Insider Finance a standout tool for traders of all levels, from beginners to seasoned pros. Each feature is designed to give traders an edge by providing insights typically only available to institutional investors. One of Insider Finance's key features is its real-time options order flow analysis. This tool provides traders with insights into the market by tracking millions of options contracts each day. It highlights unusual options activity, which can signal potential market-moving events. By understanding the flow of options orders, traders can make more informed decisions about when to enter and exit positions. This real-time access to data allows traders to quickly spot opportunities and act before the market shifts. Dark pools and equity prints are often shrouded in mystery, but Insider Finance shines a light on these trades. Dark pool trades are large transactions executed outside of public exchanges to avoid impacting the market price. For day traders and swing traders, having access to dark pool analysis means gaining insight into what the big players or institutional investors are doing. Knowing where the smart money is moving can be incredibly valuable when looking for trading opportunities. The intelligent order flow feature is like having a backstage pass to the movements of professional investors. This tool analyzes the actions of the smart money, helping traders understand which trades have the highest potential for success. It uses proprietary algorithms to rank trades based on their potential impact, allowing traders to focus on the most promising opportunities. This feature is perfect for those who want to make smarter trades by leveraging insider-like access to market activities. Insider Finance integrates with TradingView, a leading charting platform, to offer advanced technical analysis tools. This integration provides traders with everything they need to conduct in-depth market analysis, from technical indicators to drawing tools. The platform's customizable charts allow users to visualize data in a way that suits their trading style. Whether you're looking at trend lines, resistance levels, or unusual activity, this feature equips you with the analytical power needed to make informed trading decisions. For traders interested in algorithmic trading strategies, Insider Finance offers a range of tools to automate trades based on predefined criteria. These proprietary algorithms help identify potential trading opportunities by analyzing market data and providing actionable trade ideas. Whether you're a fan of trend-following strategies or prefer mean reversion tactics, these algorithms are designed to optimize your trading performance by executing trades with precision. Understanding the current market context is crucial for successful trading, and Insider Finance provides a robust market sentiment analysis tool. This feature aggregates data from over 100 premium sources, offering insights into how the market is feeling at any given moment. By interpreting market news and sentiment, traders can gain a deeper understanding of the forces driving market movements, enabling them to align their strategies with the prevailing mood of the financial markets. Never miss a beat with Insider Finance's customizable alerts and notifications. This feature lets you set up alerts based on specific criteria, such as price movements or changes in trading volume. You can tailor these notifications to your individual trading strategies, ensuring you're always in the loop about potential trade ideas. This flexibility reduces information overload and helps traders focus on the most relevant market events, enhancing their ability to make quick, informed decisions. In addition to its strong focus on options and equities, Insider Finance also offers Forex market scanners and tools for cryptocurrency. This feature allows traders to monitor currency movements and crypto trends, providing a comprehensive view of the markets. With these scanners, traders can gain valuable insights into Forex markets and cryptocurrency, making it easier to diversify trading strategies and capitalize on opportunities across different asset classes. Insider Finance is not just about providing tools, it also offers a wealth of educational resources to help traders improve their skills. From webinars and tutorials to community forums, the platform fosters an environment where traders can learn and grow. Engaging with other traders through forums and discussions can provide actionable insights and tips, making it easier for everyone to improve their trading strategies and achieve trading success. Now, let's talk about the pricing for Insider Finance and see how it can fit into your trading budget. What I really appreciate about their pricing model is its simplicity and transparency. You won't find any complicated tiers or hidden fees here. Instead, Insider Finance offers a straightforward, all-inclusive plan that gives you access to all of their powerful features. First up, there's the monthly plan. Priced at $75 per month, this option is perfect for traders who want the flexibility of paying as they go without any long-term commitments. You get all the features of Insider Finance, from real-time options order flow to robust technical analysis and more. It's a great way to test out the platform and see if it's the right fit for your trading style without a significant upfront investment. For those who are ready to commit a bit more, the quarterly plan is priced at $195 every 3 months, which breaks down to $65 per month. This plan offers a $60 discount over the monthly option, making it a cost-effective choice for traders who are confident in using Insider Finance as part of their regular trading toolkit. Lastly, if you're really serious about maximizing your savings and plan to use Insider Finance as a long-term resource, the annual plan is available for $660 per year, or $55 per month. This option provides the most significant savings, totaling a $240 discount compared to the monthly rate. It's an excellent choice for those who want to fully integrate Insider Finance into their trading strategy and take advantage of all the platform's insights throughout the year. Regardless of which plan you choose, you'll get all-inclusive access to every feature Insider Finance has to offer. That means you can tap into dark pool and equity prints, industry-leading analysis for every ticker, and actionable trade ideas with a proven track record. Plus, with real-time news and sentiment analysis and access to a supportive Discord community, you're equipped with everything you need to make smarter trading decisions. What I love about Insider Finance's pricing is that there's no upselling or surprise charges. Whether you're a new trader exploring the market or a seasoned pro looking for an edge, the pricing structure makes it easy to budget for these powerful trading tools. The discounts for longer commitments are a nice incentive, but the monthly option still keeps it accessible for those who prefer to keep things flexible. To wrap up my deep dive into Insider Finance, I have to say, this platform truly delivers a powerful toolkit for traders like us who want to stay ahead of the game. With features like real-time options order flow, dark pool analysis, and algorithmic trading strategies, it offers everything needed to make well-informed trading decisions. What really sets Insider Finance apart is how it opens up institutional-level insights to retail traders like you and me. Whether you're into stocks, crypto, or Forex, the platform gives you the data and tools to confidently and strategically navigate the markets. I've found it incredibly useful for understanding market movements that would otherwise be invisible. The extensive features, from customizable alerts to detailed market sentiment analysis, mean I'm always in tune with what's happening. And if you love charts like I do, the integration with TradingView for technical analysis is a game changer, making it easy to refine and adapt your strategies. In the end, Insider Finance stands out as a powerful, intuitive platform that makes it easier than ever to access critical trading tools and insights. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your strategies, I think Insider Finance can be a valuable asset in your trading journey. Thanks for tuning into this review on the Modest Money channel. If you're thinking about trying Insider Finance, check out the links in the description to get started. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trading insights. See you in the next video.